This Canon G3410 printer was brought to us, and proper diagnosis confirmed that it had a burnt motherboard. The first step is to open the printer carefully and access the motherboard section without damaging the surrounding components. Next, every connector, cable, and ribbon is disconnected one by one. Once everything is safely disconnected, the faulty motherboard can now be released and carefully removed from the printer. The replacement motherboard is then positioned correctly and before all the cables and ribbon connectors are securely connected. At Acetech Pro, we provide professional printer diagnosis, repair, servicing for Canon, Epson, HP, Brother, Kyocera, amongst many other printers. We handle motherboard faults, paper jams, ink system problems, and general printer maintenance. Back to our printer. After installation, the printer is reassembled and carefully tested to confirm that everything is working properly. For reliable printer repairs in Nairobi, visit our shop at Rahimtulla.